Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Ruling that the state does not get a free pass every time the spectre of national security is raised, the Supreme Court on Wednesday appointed a committee comprising 3 technical members and supervised by its retired judge, Justice R.V. Ravindran, to conduct a thorough inquiry into allegations of use of Pegasus software for unauthorized surveillance. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana said the committee will inquire, investigate and determine number 1, whether the Pegasus suite of spyware was used on phones or other devices of the citizens of India to access, store data, eavesdrop on conversation, intercept information and for any other purpose not explicitly stated herein. Second, the details of the victims and persons affected by such a spyware attack. Third, what steps or actions have been taken by the respondent Union of India after reports were published in the year 2019 about hacking of WhatsApp accounts of Indian citizens using the Pegasus suite of spyware. Number 4, whether any Pegasus suite of spyware was acquired by the respondent Union of India or any state government or any central or state agency for use against the citizen of India. Number 5, if any governmental agency has used the Pegasus suite of spyware on the citizens of this country, under what law, rule, guideline, protocol or lawful procedure was such deployment made? Number 6, if any domestic entity or person has used the spyware on the citizens of this country, then is such a use authorized? Number 7, any other matter or aspect which may be connected, ancillary or incidental to the above terms of reference which the committee may deem fit and proper to investigate. Well, it will also make recommendations on number 1 regarding enactment and amendment to the existing law and procedures surrounding surveillance and for securing improved right to privacy. Number 2 regarding enhancing and improving the cyber security of the nation and its assets. Number 3 to ensure prevention of invasion of citizens' right to privacy otherwise than in accordance with law by state and non-state entities through such spywares. Number 4, regarding the establishment of mechanism of citizens to raise grievances on suspicion of illegal surveillances of other devices. Number 5, regarding the setting up of well-equipped independent premier agency to investigate cybersecurity vulnerabilities for threat assessment relating to cyber attacks and to investigate instances of cyber attacks in the country. Number 6, regarding any ad hoc arrangements that may be made by this court as an interim measure for the protection of citizens' rights pending filing up of the Licania of the Parliament. Number 7, on any other ancillary matter that the committee may deem fit and proper. Well, on the selection of members of the committee, the bench also comprising Justices Suryakant and Hema Kohli said it would be appropriate to state that in this world of conflicts, it was an extremely uphill task to find and select experts who are free from prejudices, are independent and competent. Rather than relying upon any government agencies or any, we have constituted the committee and shortlisted expert members based on biodata and information collected independently. Some of the candidates politely declined this assignment while others had some conflict of interest. With our best intentions and efforts, we have shortlisted and chosen the most renowned experts available to be a part of the committee, he added. Now stay with us, we shall bring you all the latest updates on the Pegasus Row. This is Aparna Singh reporting for iScope Media.